everyone, and welcome back to A Doodle a Day with Mrs. Rivera. And today's doodle I'm actually dedicating to all my students. This is a character that a lot of them really like and they find him to be very silly. And so I'm going to do this in honor of all my kiddos. As always, all you're going to need is either a pencil or a marker of sorts. I like to draw in Sharpie just because I find that it's easier for all of you to see as we're working. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to start a little higher so that we have enough space to fit this character here. And let's see if by the end of the doodle we know who this is, and I'm sure you're going to know. We're going to start like this. It's almost going to be like you're making a rounded edged triangle, okay? We're going to go over here. We're going to go like this. And then we're going to go over here like this. Now these things look really long and weird, but it'll start making sense in a few seconds. Again, we're going to round it up, go up, and stop right about here. We're going to do the same thing on this side. And if they're not perfect in thickness, don't fret, don't freak out about it. Right at the center, we're going to go like this. And I think now you're starting to get an idea of who this character is. Let's go down here. And we're going to go like this. And we're going to go like this. Okay? And this is to add this character's clothing. Let's make this one a little longer so it makes a little bit more sense. Like so. Leave a little bit of space, and then right above it, you're going to go like this. Okay? And the reason you're going to do that is because now we're going to add the rest of this character's pants. Okay? And by now, I'm sure you already know who this is. Just give him his belly button. Now, this character's pants has a very specific pattern to it, so let's add that pattern as well. It's almost like you're making a 3-leaf clover, but you're not. These are actually like flower prints on here. And you know that this character is famous for this outfit, just like his best friend has the same fame for his outfit. Okay, so we're gonna go like that. Now that we have his pants in place, his belly button is in place, let's get to his face so you can really know who this character is, but I'm sure you already do. Now this character's eyes are going to be right in here, and they are in the shape of an oval. So I have the other one here. Okay, now we have 2 ovals. Let's get a little bit here, a little bit here. And he always has this big goofy smile, so let's do the little lines here so that we know where his mouth ends. And you're gonna go like that. Make these a little bigger. And now let's add his eyebrows, which are not perfectly straight. It's like a weird print there. It almost looks like a lightning bolt. Okay? So let's finish up Patrick. Let's add the rest of his body, which are just little feet. And it's just a semicircle. That's upside down. Let's get that in. And we have him right in here. And there we have it. We have Patrick from SpongeBob. Now, I would love to see your doodles of Patrick that you send me. Don't forget, whenever we do a doodle, initial it, and I always put 20 for the year 2020, and we're all done with our doodle of the day. Since Patrick isn't moving and he's just steady, we don't have to do action lines or anything, but maybe, you know what, we should add our grounding line so he looks like he's standing somewhere. And because he is at the bottom of the ocean, let's add some little dots here so it looks like the sand. Okay? All right, my friends. I can't wait to see your Patrick doodles, and I'll see you in the next episode.